Hello viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some crochet pen holder designs model. A crochet pen holder is a container, typically cylindrical, that is made using the crochet technique to hold pens, pencils, and other writing instruments. It is often crafted with yarn and crochet hook, resulting in a textured handmade look. These pen holders can vary in design, color, and size, making them both functional and decorative for desks or workspaces. Creating a crochet pen holder can be a fun and useful project. Here are some tips to help you make fun. Choose the right yarn. Use a sturdy yarn, such as cotton or a cotton blend, to ensure your pen holder maintains its shape. Select the hook size. Use a crochet hook that matches the yarn width. A tighter stitch will help the pen holder stand up better. Start with a base. Begin by crocheting a flat circular base. You can use a basic single crochet or half double crochet stitch, increasing it round to keep the base flat. Work up the sides. Once the base is the desired size, stop increasing and continue crocheting in rounds to build up the sides. You can use single crochet or any other stitch pattern you prefer. Consider adding structure. To add more structure, you can crochet around a cardboard tube or place a plastic container inside the crochet pen holder. Decorate. Add decorative elements like stripes, patterns, and afflex to personalize your pen holder. You can also add a scalloped edge or other finishing touches. Weave in ends. Ensure all yarn ends are securely woven in to prevent unrelieving. Blocking. If your pen holder needs shaping, consider blocking it. Dampen the crochet page and shape it, letting it dry in the desired form. Experiment with design. Try different spaces and techniques, such as tapestry crochet or adding pockets, to create unique designs. These tips should help you create a functional and attractive crochet pen holder for your workspace. Here are some additional tips to make your crochet pen holder even more unique and functional. Use a sturdy bottom for added durability. You can crochet a double thickness base or insert a bit of plastic canvas or cardboard between layers to provide extra support. Customize the height. Adjust the height of your pen holder to suit your needs. Make it taller for longer items like scissors or knitting needles, or shorter for just pens and pencils. Add a liner. Line the inside of your pen holder with fabric for a smooth finish and added strength. Use fabric glue or a hot glue gun to secure in the place. Incorporate handles. If you want a portable pen holder, crochet small handles or loops at the top for easy carrying. Use color changes. Experiment with color changes to create stripes, blocks, or other patterns. This can add visual interest and match your decor. Textured stitches. Incorporate textured stitches like bubbles, popcorn stitches, or front post stitches to add depth and interest to the design. Add a lid, creating a matching lid for your pen holder to keep just out and provide a more finished look. You can add a button or loop closer for extra detail. Personalize. Add in details, names, or motifs using surface crochet or embroidery to personalize your pen holder. Use recycled materials. Consider using recycled materials like old t-shirt cut into yarn, t-shirt yarn for sustainable and unique look. Embellishments. Attach buttons, beads, or other embellishments for added charm and personality. Mix and match. Combine crochet with other crafts. For example, add a decor base or paint the inside of a plastic answer to match your crochet work. By incorporating these tips, you can create a crochet pen holder that is not only functional but also a beautiful and unique addition to your workspace. Thank you so much for watching this video.